So I'm here to talk about Ariel because he's not going to talk about himself. All of our team members have at least 5 years of experience, most 10 to 15 years. Ariel's been doing this for 22 years now. She's a physician from the Philippines. He is one of the most caring, sensitive human beings I've ever met. And he just makes you a better person being around him. Ariel's attention to our patients' care is beyond anything I can describe. The attention to detail and quality control that he brings to our team is something that's really unparalleled. Ariel has been instrumental in our implementation of our ARTIS robotic system. Ariel is dedicated to each and every patient, and he's dedicated to his team members. There's an enormous amount of mutual respect that our team members have for one another. Leaders like Ariel help demonstrate that. And we're very excited and happy and proud to have Ariel as a part of our medical team.